What is up, YouTube? I'm here to show you today these pants have been working on lately. They are inspired by Jaden Smith's Aries and all that other outfits that he's made. Alright, so I've been working on these pants for a little bit now, and check this out. They have flannels and sewn onto them, so it's just like, that's just what they look like now. So I'm gonna put this girl right here. Already sewn this on, so that's on there. You've already seen the back. Now check out what I want the front to look like. I got the right adhesive, so I'll be working on these today. Adhesive bond and an iron. Just in case we were to butcher this, you're gonna want to like practice, like do this on something else, you know. Practice this on some kind of shirt that you don't really care about, and then I would suggest putting it on your actual product. I'm gonna try this on something else as well and see if it works first, and then I'm gonna try and put it on the pants. Alright, so I'm actually gonna go into my bin of clothing that I have. We have a whole bin of clothing that we use for all sorts of different clothes that we make, and look for something to practice on. Alright, so what I did was I ironed on the adhesive onto the back of this. I cut it out to match this, to match the size. You know, some parts are a little rigid, but that's okay. Now I'm ready to put this on to the actual pants itself. If you also come up with awesome pants and awesome cool designs too, I want to see them. I would love to see them. Send them, show them in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you guys came up with after watching this video.